Right, we are going for a swim. Wish us luck. It's about 15 degrees. It's just stopped raining and we'll see what happens.
Blue skies are
Well, blue skies, but I don't know, it's going to be a bit chilly. I've got to say, everybody else we've seen is either wearing a coat or trousers. We are the only fools wearing not coats.
and I'm freezing.
Lifeguards here, it's good. Water temperature's 12 degrees. High tide's at 7 o'clock.
Oh, first sock off.
Oh, that's cold. Oh, don't let me. Oh, sorry. I can scratch it.
Yep.
Sorry. Are we ready?
No, I'm just putting my beach shoes on. I don't want to get stung.
Beach shoes.
My beach shoes.
Oh, beach shoes.
I don't want to get stung by the stinging fish.
Oh.
The stinging fish.
Well, I'm glad I've got mine on. It is pretty here. Look, 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 look. This is. Look at the beach. I mean, we are the only people on the beach, pretty much. We're being good, so we're swimming in between the flags.
I feel like my shoe thing's
Hey? The shoe thing.
sun is out.
The sun is out. Actually, the sun's warm.
Yes.
The water feels freezing. Look at the colour of it though.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's good. Chilly.
Woo! 12 degrees this is, did I say?
That's great. The sun is shining still.
Oh, coldest times of the year. This is freezing. Genuinely, my feet feel like they're going to drop off. It's not funny.
It's good for you.
Fine. No! He fell over. Wait! Oh.
Oh my God, it's a big wave.
My feet.
Not even up to our waist yet.
Look at the wave over there.
Holy.
Holy moly. As you say. That's freezing. Oh, let me go the other side. You're scared, why? Woo!
Because they're really big.
What's up?
They're really big.
The legs are really big. He's scared. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. This is actually cold. Oh, they're taking the bloody flags in.
Why are they taking the
Those... That was freezing. I wasn't expecting that. Look at it, got the thing on. It got the thing on. Look at it. Look at it. You gotta see some more. Let's go this way. You're right.
My head.
There were big waves. Big wave.
I'm gonna go on your shoulders.
You get my shoulders. Have you had enough yet? No. No. Come on.
I got mad for the salt.
I'm out for the salt. This is freezing. This is cold. Oh, that's cold. Go under.
Yeah.
Go under. Why is it warmer? You're lying. It's freezing.
Come on, go under.
Go under.
Yeah. Don't go too far out the way. Come this way. Go under in that way. Come this way.
It's freezing.
Okay.
That's freezing. Horrible. That water's salty and it's horrible.
I've got it in my eyes.
Oh, why have I got my glasses on?
I don't know. Oh, what's wrong with you though? I'm under.
You're under.
I'm under.
You're under.
I'm under.
I'm under.
I'm under.
I'm under. Here comes a big wave. We're under. We're fools. That's freezing.
Have you had enough yet?
Yes. We'll go home now.
Let's get out there.
Oh,
There's one.
are we having fun?
Yeah.
Is it a bit cold?
Get side shot of the waves.
A side shot of the waves.
Now.
That's a big one.
Watch out, it's coming. There's a big one coming.
They're coming.
No, that should have made that age better.
Made that age better.
Yeah.
How's it made that age better?
It's supposed to be good.
It's supposed to be good.
Yeah. And the cold water is supposed to rejuvenate you.
Rejuvenate. Well, I want to carry a bit longer now.
What?
Carrying a bit longer now.
What? Get in. You just said you would go.
I think we actually need to swim now. I think not. That's fucking freezing. No, seriously, should we actually swim?
No.
Well, just swim. We can swim in.
It's too.
I'm actually swimming. You can do it. Personal injury was caused getting this footage. Uh-oh, we're in trouble. Right, I've been in the water, we've been in the water about, what, 10 minutes? And it's now, you get used to it, it's really nice. Can I get this? Can I get this? Well, this is the fun we signed up for. Oh, thanks. But here comes another one. You alright? You okay?
I went under.
I know I'm under as well.
Oh.
You okay? You okay? Oh no, 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 no! I can recommend this. If you can try and get in the sea, pretty much whatever time of year, it's fun. There we go. Woo! Get addicted when you go out here. It's just so much fun. But cold to start with. It's cold to start with, isn't it? But once you get out, it's like actually quite pleasant.
Yeah. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Oh no, 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 no. That was cool. Well, you got that. That was fun. Under again.
Yeah, what?
You know what surfers are?
What?
Lightweights, they got wetsuits. Watch out, here comes one. Who doesn't want to get that shot of just the wave just breaking? Are you feeling really invigorated?
I'm feeling invigorated. But invigorated. Oh wow.
Egg, what's that? Oh look at this. I'm about 4 foot in the water. With the surfer. Here comes the big one. This is cool. I won't. It's actually really warm in here. Feels like my fingers and toes have got numb. Right, should we go?
Yes.
Should we go?
Yes.
Right, my fingers are freezing. Oh, cold. I've been, I don't know, 20 minutes off now. But going in, it's chilly. Follow them. Hey! No, my feet feel really heavy now.
It's gone off.
No, still on.
My legs are gone to sleep. I've got salt water in the air. Can't I've got fish in the air, I think.
Luckily, we ain't got far to go to the caravan, but we have got a big hill to go up. Yeah, we're now out of the water and it's a bit chilly now. Starting to shiver a bit, but it's always good because
Running going.
it's adrenaline going. But we've got the RNLI lifeguards here, kind of keeping us safe, looking out for us. So that's brilliant. Thank you, RNLI.